Understanding graph is very important. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about how to read or find the range of a graph of exponential function from its graph. Exponential function is of the form y equal, or we can use f of x. F of x, it's equal ab to the power of x plus p. Here, P is horizontal asymptotes. Now, what is the horizontal asymptotes? It's simply the imaginary line that shows the behavior and boundary of a curve as it approaches infinity. And we will see that from the graph. If we have this graph where this it's our x-axis and this is our y-axis, and we have the curve, it's of this form. Now the horizontal asymptotes, which is the imaginary line that shows the behavior of the curve as it approaches infinity, we can take that imaginary line using dotted line to trace the behavior of this curve as it approaches infinity. So this gives us our P, which is the horizontal asymptotes. Let's write the range of this function. How do we not write? Let's assume that the horizontal asymptotes here, it's let's say 2. All right, and we can say that the range is let's say from 2 to infinity, and that gives us the range of the function. It is also important for you to note that horizontal asymptote occurs at the y value. It occurs at the y value just like we have the vertical asymptotes which occurs at the x value.